Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Trainer. Today I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Messenger app, that's exe file, in your Windows 10 PC. Yes, Facebook has brought its only Messenger version for desktop computer, and now you can use only Messenger for your desktop computer without any browser. Okay, so to get the file we have to go to Google Chrome, and on Google you have to type Messenger exe, and then we have to choose Messenger desktop app. Okay, as you can see, and you can download it from here. You can also get it on Microsoft Store as well as on App Store for Mac users. Okay, if I want to download it, simply I have to click on download for Windows and it will be downloaded. Okay, it's downloaded and now I'm going to install it. Okay, the installation has been started, as you can see, and now without any browser you can simply use only Messenger of your Facebook account easily on your computer. So as you can see that the app is there. Now you can simply sign in with your Facebook, or if you want you can also sign in with the email address or password you have. Okay, and if you want to create a new account you can create it here, and also can recover your password if you have forgotten this. Okay, and I'm just not logging in. I think it will be enough for you, and by this simple way you can download this exe file of Facebook Messenger and can use on your PC without any browser. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please hit the like button, share your experience, your suggestions, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT if you have not. Okay, please share our videos and inspire us to make more videos like this. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.